Hello, hi Thomas. So today I will be demoing my assignment 1 for the Terraform project. Let me just run these commands to save some time before I go into my Terraform. So self-explanatory, providers, local variables, IP set to 10 and subnet mask set to 16, public private, SSH key name, project name, provider AOS. I have access and secret key commented out because I tried a different way to SSH. I don't have them presently here because it's bad practice to have them hard-coded. Next, this resource block creates the VPC. True default is that AOS is shared on a hardware, save money. Internet gateway, so that my instances can be connected to the network and are discoverable. Route table, this resource block puts those to use. The destination CIDR block is all zeros, so it can be from anywhere and everywhere if a CIDR block is not declared. Subnet ID with the AWS subnet right there. This resource block is for the creation of a public subnet. Map public IP on launch means it's given an IPv4 address on launch. Private set to false, so it won't have a IPv4 address. The CIDR blocks are the private, the local private declared above, and the public private also declared above. Next is the machine image, Amazon machine image, used Ubuntu. Next resource block is for SSHing, where I use TLS private key, called it SSH key pair. Use the RSA algorithm with 2048 bits. Local file SSH pub key. This is just the local directory, and then the key that is created with the pub suffix. As you can see, this is the key name right here. Next, same thing, but with the private, it's given no suffix. The public has pub, private has no suffix. The contents being the private TLS private key algorithm, key pair, and then private key PEM. And next, their SSH key pairs are given to the AWS. And then I create the public EC2 instance. Amazon machine image is the AWS AMI Ubuntu. Instance type D2 micro is the smallest one because we don't need anything larger than this. So we're just going to create it and delete it. Subnet ID, the key pair, which is the created right there. And then for user data, end of file, all these commands, bin bash, app update, install Nginx, systemctl. And then I have the private EC2 instance with the private IP being declared here. And the private SSH key right there. Next, I create the public security group. Ingress 22 is specifically for SSHing. Protocol, transmission control protocol. All zeros, so SSH from anywhere. Ingress for the HTTP is also set from to anywhere. Egress means outbound rule. Default port 80 or 0. And protocol -1 means all ports are allowed, and it can be from anywhere. Next is the private security group. Same practice, except not set from everywhere. It's only set to the public IP or the public instance, not instance. Public EC2. No, it is instance. Yeah, what am I saying? It is instance. Same time here, we're going fast. Inbound, same thing, but for HTTP, public instance. And then outbound is any protocol from anywhere. Next, when the Terraform apply is ran, it presents me with the IP addresses for the public and the private. Next I'll go back to this. As you can see, I'm going to run Terraform apply. Yes. Now this I should have ran and then started explaining. Save a good 30 seconds from this video demo. Currently at 5 minutes and 51 seconds. What's the deal with airline food? Huh. And you can see the private and public IPs. So ls. So I small 400. 4 it means read. 0 is for the root, and then everyone else gets 0. ATCIT 4640 underscore 1 for private. Next I SHI. Ubuntu at. So I tried figuring this out, but I'm out of time for the assignment submission, but SSH times out. So the VPC is created. Then I figured it'd be the security group that is timing me out. So this is the public one, but it's set from everywhere. So that's a little strange, but yeah, I just wanted to get up to this point where I was unable to properly SSH. But thanks for watching.